No more battles in the field. Hashtag na kupromise.
Asanteni sana.
Joki.
Asanteni sana watoto. Asanteni sana. Kwa hivyo ombi langu tu ni kusikia yale maneno watoto wamesema. Sisi kama kings tusikize watoto wamesemaje. Kama teens Njoki amefanya yake. Kwa sababu ya Njoki wacha sasa tukue na amani, tusiende mtaani tena, tuweze kupea Njoki respect. Rest in peace Njoki.
Asante sister. The last presentation is from Ubora School kwa haraka.
Tulimwambia mwalimu kwa sababu wewe ni mzazi, hatutakuwa shuleni, wacha tukae nyumbani na ili ukue na watoto nyumbani na watoto wakue salama, bali haya yakatupata, na ndio sababu tumeleta watoto wetu na ili wamwambie mwalimu wao, pole sana Mama Bridget, pole sana Teacher Ruth, tuko pamoja na wewe. Watoto wetu walipomwona mwalimu wao katika runinga akilia, waliuliza maswali mingi sana, lakini kwa yote tunampatia Mungu.
Tukisimama hapa sisi ni wana Ubora, we have the representations to mourn with you, and I will welcome our kids.
Welcome to our Tuesday News Ubora TV. I am your news anchor, Wamboi Karaoke, and my colleague in the studio is Wanjiro Moiru. Our headlines: call for peace, cloud of tears. Cloud of tears. For the last 1 year, the Gen Z protests have been all over in our country. This has left many families in tears due to loss of lives and property. Ubora Kings and Queens Academy is brutally hit after their beloved deputy head teacher lost her daughter. Fare thee well, Bridget.
Call for peace. Ubora Kings and Queens Academy stand in the front line pleading for peace in the country. Evidently, children have also been greatly affected by the protest. We are innocent. Don't kill us. Who will protect the nation when you grow old without the Gen Zs and Alpha? End of our news Tuesday morning. I have been your host, Wanjiro Moiru. Bye-bye.
Hi, Wamboi Karaoke. See you tonight in your dreams.
The Ubora School is mourning with you, with a call, coping with grief.
The northern lights, once a sight so bright, now dim by the darkness of that night. For she, our love, was taken away, a victim of a brutal crime that day.
The shock, the denial, the pain so deep, my heart, my soul, in mourning weep, anger, guilt, and bargaining set in, a roller coaster of emotions begin.
Memories of her beauty flood my mind, her chaos and breathtaking spirit entertained, but now she is gone, forever lost, and we are left to bear these heavy costs.
Acceptance slowly starts to come, the realization that she's truly gone, but still the grief remains true, a burden that I will forever carry and know.
The northern lights may dance and glow, but our hearts will forever feel a blow of losing her, our love, so brutally, the wound that time will never fully heal in us. Thank you.
Welcome and listen to our memory verse. Psalms 23, verse 1, 2, 3, and 4. The Bible says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk in the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for your rod and staff comfort me. Thank you.
Thank you. Watu wote wa Ubola ambao wako hapa pamoja na mkubwa wetu, tunawauliza wasimame na ili tuwaone in solidarity with our teacher, our Ubola team. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Asante Ubora. Wakati huu nawaita watoto misa, the altar servers, wao walikuwa na serve na yeye ili waweze kupeana tribute yao. Karibuni.
Abigail, the others.
Karibuni. Go.
Dear Bridget Njoki Wainaina, today we pause with hearts full of sorrow, yet burning with pride, to honor our dear friend, our fellow altar server, Bridget Njoki Wainaina, who tragically lost her life during a protest. Her passing has left a silence that echoes through the church, the streets, and our hearts. But her memory speaks louder than words ever could. She was more than just a server at the altar. She was a family. We tied our robes together, light candles together, and knelt side by side. In scared prayer, we shared laughter before Mass, whispered behind the screen and after the Mass. Rest in peace.
And we're about to commence the song that we composed. We shall start.
Bwana Mungu twakuomba, Bridget apate pumziko la milele. Bwana Mungu twakuomba, Bridget apate pumziko la milele. Vile Mtakatifu Francisco, Bridget apate pumziko la milele. Kama vile Mtakatifu Francisco, Bridget apate pumziko la milele. Bwana Mungu twakuomba, Bridget apate pumziko la milele. Bwana Mungu twakuomba, Bridget apate pumziko la milele. Mapilo Mtakatifu Lucia,
la milele. E Bwana Mungu, twakuomba, Bridget apate pumziko la milele. E Bwana Mungu, twakuomba, Bridget apate pumziko la milele.
Crown of the Sabbath.